Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This comes with a couple of batteries, long charging 55 kPa. It's very powerful suction, LED lights. It stands on its own. Quick charge, 2.5 hour time. We have manual there, crevice tool, another like crevice tool with a brush. Press this in up or down, makes it nice for cleaning materials. A little charging cable. Here is the extendable arm attachment there. Here is our vacuum, the bottom portion here. It's got the nice bristles on there. Good for carpets and things like that. Here we have an additional little cleaning thing. If hairs do get stuck in that, it's got a little razor on this thing here. And we also have additional filters, and also a mounting thing so we can hook this up, put it on the wall and hold everything. There's battery, second battery, it's everything for the box. And then the actual vacuum portion. There it is, pretty sweet looking vacuum. Actually, it has 3 power settings, low, medium, high, and it's got, I've reviewed quite a few handheld vacuum cleaners. This is one of the more powerful ones I have reviewed. It's got a lot of suction too, pretty cool with that. I like that it's got 2 batteries, so I can charge one of them on vacuuming the house. Boom, got the power here. On, off, and then right here we have a little plus or minus button right here. That's plenty strong, guys. Shows you our battery life. Shows you the battery life on here as well. So power and on and off. So you can see it's got a lot of suction. I like these. We're gonna be doing a little test on this for you guys as well. But all these just snap in and out, super easy to work with. To take this, the little thing out, you can just take this, you wash the filter, you can dump this out with just the push of a button. This detaches so you don't have to take your whole vacuum out, and then just goes right back on here, just snaps into place. Very handy. Easy to work with, everything, just push a button to take your battery out, just press those, that comes out, slides out like that. Yeah, so super powerful. I like the crevice tool, it's nicely designed. It has a little bit of a thing there, so it has it's not just gonna suck onto your couch or whatever, it's gonna let a little bit of air pass through there. So all these, obviously just snap on and off, no problem. Just like that, put them in there, and easy to put them on and take them off again. I like how this extends. Just press the button for whatever one you want. It locks into, it's about 8 different spots there. Very cool. So no matter if you're tall or short, this vacuum's gonna fit you nicely. And then this just plugs right in right here. Like I said, this is super easy to work with. Yeah, clicks right into place there. Not sure, as soon as I said it was easy to work with, and that one gave me some trouble. But here we go. It has a nice little lights on there. Bright, allows you to see even when the lights are off. And excellent suction. I like it comes with additional thing. These are washable, so you could take this out, wash it while it's drying in the sun or whatever. You can replace the other one real quick and switch them in and out. So that's nice that you don't have to wait. 55 kPa is about twice what robot vacuums have. Most of them have about 22. So super powerful. Like you saw, I was like grabbing on my hand there. It's got some like legit suction. So let's go test it. All right, friends, so I went ahead and put this on the wall, and what I like about this is these snap into place. They don't just fall out, so it holds it there nicely. So I got my extra battery charger right there. I can just pull this out and created a little mess. Let's go handle it, shall we? Okay, as we can see, I got a lot of dust here with just like a bunch of different things in there. Cat food, fingernails, hair, some coffee grounds. Okay, so let's just fire this thing up real quick. And this is on low, so here we go. I'll just do one pass right here. And we can see pretty much got everything with that one pass. So I can turn it up a notch. And that's a lot right there. And let's kick it up one more notch to full power. You can see this thing has a lot of suction. Does a really good job. Let's take care of this hairball over here. And even though there's a lot of dust and everything like that, little rocks, all kinds of stuff like that. Okay, so let's actually just switch out our battery real quick. So that's as simple as just pulling that. I like how this vacuum just stands by itself too. Okay, this battery is as easy as just sliding it in here. No problem, it still stands on its own. I wanted to use this little suction attachment real quick. See how powerful this is. You guys can see it has really good suction here. It's super powerful. Let's switch it to and that's the loudest setting. It's not really the strongest, and that's not really that loud, but has a lot of suction. Okay, for the final one, just use the little attachment here. And look at this. You can see how it's not even have to get like right on there. It just pulls it out of there. That's on low, medium. So this is small and compact too, so if you need to clean your car with it, it's really easy. It's lightweight too, but for the amount of how heavy it is, this thing has a ton of power. I mean, look at this. Zoom. Very easy to do. I want to actually check the bottom of this and see. Okay, we got that big hairball and it did a little bit of stuff got stuck on there, so we can use that little cutting tool to get that. And then I'll show you how easy it is to dump this. So we don't need to take the whole thing with us. We just pop that out. I can just do it with one hand. Go over to our trash and just hit the button there. And that just goes right in there and we're good to go. So very easy to clean. If I need to wash this out a little more, I can. No problem, but super easy to do, one-handed. It's super easy to adjust the heights. Everything's well thought out on this. It's easy to take this out. The two batteries are super nice. Taking this out and putting it back in is very intuitive, easy to do. You don't have to take the whole thing with you. I like how this just stands too by itself. If you want to pop these off, no problem. You want to do that. Like I said, it's very small and lightweight. Want to clean your car, get in the crevices on your couch. It's a very powerful, quiet, easy to clean, easy to put away, stores nicely in a very small area here. Like how, like I said, just stands by itself like that. So very, this is like of all the smaller like vacuums I have, as far as like bang for buck, as the most powerful for its size and weight. This thing is definitely that, and it's pretty quiet too for the job that it does. Very impressed with it. Makes short work of even like heavy messes you saw like that. So it's a great little vacuum, plenty of battery life, plenty of power. Just nothing really bad to say about this thing. It does a great job. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. You guys have a good one. I'll see you next time.